Danielle. We're at the Dubai Airshow with two customers for the A400M. We're excited to go be able to talk to some pilots. Let's go. I'm with A400M Captain Rob Mainwaring. We're here in the cockpit. Rob, how long have you been flying the A400M for?
So I've been flying the A400 for 6 years, and I've been flying in the Air Force for about 11, 12 years.
Now, what makes the A400M so unique to fly?
So it's uber modern. It's one of our latest aircraft. So it's really advanced. For a younger guy like me, I love how the aircraft is all glass cockpit. It's got all the latest software and capabilities that we want. So it's really fun and really nice to fly.
And what makes it great for the Royal Air Force?
So the best thing about the A400 for us is like the amount of roles that it can do with the size of the aircraft. So it's multi-role. It allows us to project the air power that we need across the world, wherever we need it, really quickly. So it always makes us look good, and it's an aircraft we're really happy with.
Have you ever jumped out of the aircraft?
No, and I wouldn't.
Well, that was the Royal Air Force's A400M. Let's go visit Germany's Luftwaffe. We're here with Captain Felix from the German Air Force. So, Captain Felix, thanks for having us on board.
Thank you for stopping by. Welcome on board.
Tell us, why is the A400M so great for the German Air Force?
The right aircraft for the German Air Force is the versatility of the aircraft. We can use it everywhere in the world, hot, cold, wherever, with different kind of opportunities to deliver fuel, cargo. We do air-to-air refueling, we do medical evacuation, we have airdrop, we have parachuters that jump out of the airplane, we have special forces running on the ramp, so we're a versatile aircraft. We use it for everything, basically.
And why do you like to fly the A400M?
The A400M is so easy to fly for every pilot. The management is superb. With the fly-by-wire made by Airbus is extremely well done, and supporting the pilots wherever it's needed. The head-up display on this aircraft is very good in low-level flying. You have every information in your point of view with the outside view as well, so that's basically making it easy to fly the aircraft.
Excellent. Have you ever jumped out?
No, I would never. To be honest, I would never jump out of an intact aircraft because I can fly it. That's why.